Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about GlideEncrypter class API, which is available out of the box and it is used to encrypt or decrypt strings or the passwords. If you are liking my content, please do subscribe to my channel. First of all, the introduction. GlideEncrypter provides methods to encrypt and decrypt strings using DDES algorithm. So you can pass a string to this particular function or the class and it will encrypt your string, and if you want to decrypt it back, it can do that as well. And the most important thing to note is it is available only in the global scope, so you cannot use that in your scoped applications. There are two functions available out of the box for GlideEncrypter class. The first one is encrypt, and as the name suggests, it will encrypt your string using the DDES algorithm. Second one is the decrypt, and it will decrypt back your string using again the DDES algorithm, and it will be a plain text again. In the example, we'll be using a background script and we'll be simply passing a string to encrypt, and then we will decrypt it back to the normal string. For that, we will go to ServiceNow. I will go to background scripts. I will declare an object for our GlideEncrypter class. Then I can pass a string called var str equal to maybe 1 2 3 4 5. Now we have to encrypt this string. For that I will use maybe a variable var es, and then I will say ge, which is my variable name or the object name dot encrypt, and I will pass that string, and it will automatically encrypt this 1 2 3 4 5 string. Let's print that as well, gs.info, and I can say encrypted, and then I will print this variable. I will run this script and you can say it has been automatically encrypted. Now to decrypt it back, we will use the other function called decrypt, and I can say var ds equal to ge.decrypt, and I will pass the es string, which is the encrypted string, and again I will print that as well, gs.info, and I can say decrypted, and I will print the decrypted string here. I will run this script and it should automatically decrypt it back to 1 2 3 4 5, and you can see now the encrypted string is this, and this is the decrypted string back to 1 2 3 4 5. Next is how can we store passwords in ServiceNow. So we'll be using system properties to store the password. There are two types of password types present in system properties. The first one is password. We'll be using this when we know that we don't need to use password in the code or we don't want to decrypt them. This is used in the user table where we store passwords for each and every individual user. The second one is password 2, which we'll be using for our demo. We use this particular type when we know we have to decrypt the password and use that password in our flow designer, workflows, business rules or script include. Let's quickly see a demo of that as well. I'll go to system properties. I will create a new property and I can name it as glide.password.demo. I will copy this name of property, and then I will choose the type as password 2 because I know I have to decrypt this string, and the value I should give the password here which I want to store. So I can say Harjit Singh. So it is the password which I have to encrypt. So as soon as I save this, you will notice how ServiceNow automatically converts this particular password to an encrypted string. Now to decrypt this, we'll again go to background scripts and we will decrypt this. I will remove this code, and instead of the string I will actually use gs.getProperty, which is a function present out of the box to retrieve system properties. So I will pass the name of the system property, and in the decrypt parameter I will pass that encrypted password, and then again I will print that decrypted password, and it should be Hardit Singh. I will run this script, and you notice how the decrypted string or the password has been printed, and I can use that in my code or particularly the server code. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.